Challenges are what makes life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful.
Took the breath from my open mouth. Never known how it broke me down in circles somewhere else. Shook the best when your love was hard. Storing up on the summer glow. You wait in search of someone else.
Hey guys!
OMG guys, how are you? Uy, so yung pretty mo ah.
Good. Ikaw, how's life?
Okay naman. Lately, may bago ako mga kaibigan na nag sa college. Okay, masaya. That's good.
Sounds good. Ikaw, how's school?
Fine. I'm just reviewing lessons when I'm finals and everything. So, it's fine. I am struggling some work since I don't like that course. I'm struggling, but it is fine. Kaya ko ngayon.
Si CJ. Uy, sino si CJ na yan? Skillful.
CJ? CJ?
Kinasama na yun. Bisa ka rin, CJ.
Haven't heard of a CJ.
Wala ka tinirin siya na CJ na kasi na.
Hindi.
Kasi
Please, be mo na.
Spill the tea.
Spill.
Yes. CJ.
Si CJ ay anak ko.
May anak ka
Gabi,
na.
may anak ka? Kailan pa? Kailan? Bali ba ano na? Maging 3 years old. Tapos wala kang sinabi sa amin.
Sana nagpapililangan dito kami, di ba?
Speaking of binyag, dito kami sa binyag. Eh, di ba si Dex? Oo, si Dex. Nakita na kami si Dex. Oo.
Si Dex, ano ba yung Dex ng junior years natin na ano? May nagpagusto din siya.
Yung varsity.
Mm-hmm.
Sino si Dex? Sino nga yun?
Ay, ayong mga pala. Yes, ayun. Wala ba na yan? University. University yung marami nagkakagusto sa kanya. Tapos di ba may nagkagusto doon, di ba? Eh tapos, di ba kasi, Lucas yun. Lucas, di ba?
No one really knew the real me. People thought I was only that typical guy. And Dex? Yeah, he was someone special.
Two little boys met each other on the playground, just like the rest. Didn't stick out from the crowd.
My secret.
But between
Well,
themselves,
he made it feel magical
they
and
knew that they were
euphoric.
different, but they pushed it down. 'Cause nobody would even listen. Their parents always saying, boy, when you grow up, you're gonna find a nice lady. Make sure you act tough. You'll be living a life like Barbie and Ken. Come on, suck it up and forget this nonsense.
I hate everything about me.
I
was like other girls. I wasn't a perfect face and body.
Too good to be
To mine.
true. With paper white
Isn't even
teeth,
close to
perfect bodies. Wish I didn't care. I know that beauty's not my lack, but it feels like that weight is on my back, and I can't let it go. Comparison is killing me slowly. I think too much about kids who don't know me. I'm so sick of myself. Rather be anyone else. My jealousy started following me.
Not gonna lie, I kinda wanted myself dead.
Started following me.
How I already felt in the inside.
Comparison is killing me slowly. I think too much about kids who don't know me. I'm so sick of myself. Rather be anyone else. My jealousy. I've always studied, and studied. That was all I ever did to make my mom proud.
I'm destined to fly. What if I hadn't earned $1? What would you think of your dear daughter? Would it be pity or dishonor to ensue? And if I fail to earn the ribbon, how could I ever be forgiven? Tell me what love would still be given from you.
I was a consistent academic achiever,
No doubt.
but it all seems like it wasn't enough. And one time I failed, my world crumpled up like a piece of paper. Did things they please that I regret, and still couldn't do anything about it.
I'm not the top of my school.
Okay guys, magsisingil ako para sa class fund namin. Kung wala ka na namang bayad dyan, please siya na.
Copy po.
It was hard for me financially. Since my mom was abroad, I had a tough time budgeting on my own. Life was hard on me. Somehow, I really did feel hopeless and sad with my own life, wishing that things would turn the other way around for me.
I didn't have friends, and I've always been by myself. I ate lunch on my own, walked home alone. I only had myself for company. They were all having fun in groups, while I'm sitting alone watching them, having the time of their lives with people by their side.
In the whip, thinking, what if you and this never existed? Hollow kiss, bottle, liquor, when I'm sick, when I'm schizo.
Okay guys, group yourselves into 5 for a project.
We didn't know that we had a lot in common, but there's one thing that we knew. It was a bond that will forever be cherished, and it was for life.
Your
never be too happy in this life. In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's a wonder love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down. See your face into a frown. Get along with a little prayer and a song. Let me hear you singing. In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's the one that love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down. Turn your face into a frown. Get along with a little prayer and a song. Lift your hand, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You'll get by with a smile. Now it's time to kiss away those tears. Goodbye.